Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to attach a necklace clasp easily. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this necklace, and on pretty much all necklaces there is a clasp. I'm going to bring it closer to the camera so you can see this is what the clasp looks like. It's actually really easy to attach and detach. So there's going to be a little like lever on the clasp. Sometimes it's on an angle. As you can see, it's an upward angle here. Sometimes it's straight. But what you're going to do is you're going to use your fingernail or just the tip of your finger. There's like an absolutely massive cat over here. It looks like a little, I swear this thing looks like a little lion. It's huge and it's distracting me. I'm sorry, but it's crazy big. I swear, honestly, it's the biggest cat I think I've ever seen in my life. It went into the backyard. It's got to be someone's cat, but holy, this thing is massive. Anyway, sorry if I'm distracted, but what you're gonna do is use your fingernail or your fingertip to press down on that little lever, just like this. And when you press down, you can then remove this because you've opened the clasp. So what I'll show you right here, if you take a look right here, I'm gonna bring it into focus. When I push down on this, you can see that it actually moves the lever to open that clasp, as you can see right over there, okay? So in order to attach a necklace clasp, what you have to do is firstly open that little lever there. So and you have to hold it gently because it's so small. I'm gonna use my fingertip and I'm gonna press down on that. And what I've done now is I've opened up that little lever, as you can see right there. Then I'm going to get the other end of the necklace, okay? And it has a little loop in there. So there's a little loop and I'm gonna hook the clasp onto the loop just like this. I'm gonna hook it onto the loop. Once it's through the loop over there, I can release the lever and we've attached the necklace clasp. Now you can obviously do it on yourself as well. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put the necklace around my neck, doing the same thing. And you could just sort of kind of like feel it out. As long as you know that you've opened the clasp, okay? Just like that. You can sort of feel it out until you know that you've hooked it on. And I'm basically almost there, I think. I mean, I've done this so many times. I don't wear this chain often. I used to wear it all the time, but you gotta kind of feel around and there we go, just like that. So as you can see, it's really easy to do. It just takes some practice. Then you can do it, without your eyes behind your neck to someone else, whatever the case is, with someone else's necklace around their neck, whatever the case is. And that's essentially it. That is how to attach a necklace clasp easily. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.